String handling in Python.
In Python, a string is a sequence of characters enclosed within single or double quotes, like hello or Python. Strings are used to represent text. You can access individual characters using indexing, such as name, 0, to get the first character. Strings also support slicing, which allows you to extract parts of the string. For example, name, 1:4, returns characters from index 1 to 3. Common string functions include upper, to convert to uppercase, lower, for lowercase, and len, to find the length. An important thing to remember is that strings are immutable. You cannot change a character directly after creating the string. On the other hand, a list is a collection of values, which can be of any type, and is defined using square brackets, like fruits equals, apple, banana, cherry. Lists are ordered and allow you to access elements using indexing just like strings. However, unlike strings, lists are mutable, meaning you can change their contents. You can add items using append, remove them using remove, and even modify items directly, like fruits, 1 equals mango. Lists can contain different data types in the same list, such as 1, hello, 3.5. Both strings and lists are powerful tools in Python and form the foundation for handling data and text in most programs. For any query, please visit our website or call or WhatsApp us. Thank you.